Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing with you hot butter cuttlefish. This recipe is going to convert anyone who doesn't like cuttlefish into loving it. So we're going to start with 2 medium-sized cuttlefish. I have made a separate video on how to clean a cuttlefish from start to end. If you'd like to see how to do that, you can watch it by clicking the I on the top right corner of this video. For this recipe specifically, you will want to slice your cuttlefish into rectangles and then make slits down one side, sort of like a tiny comb. When we fry it, the thin strips will curl up and give us the signature HBC look. Once we have all our cuttlefish sliced up, we're going to marinate it. We're also going to create a flour mixture which we will use to dip each piece of cuttlefish. Make sure to coat all sides evenly. Now we're ready to fry. You want to fry the cuttlefish until they turn golden brown and crispy. Be careful because the oil tends to splatter, especially when you're frying the head and tentacles. Now we're going to get our vegetables ready for sauteing. Finely mince some ginger and garlic. Then slice some onions and peppers. You can use banana peppers or bell peppers. Once we've got all that done, we're going to add some butter into a pan over high heat. Let that melt slightly and add the ginger and the garlic. Give it a few seconds and then add the onions and peppers. Once they start looking slightly cooked, add your sugar, tomato sauce, and chili powder. You can add more or less chili powder according to how spicy you'd like the dish to be. We'll give that a quick stir and a few seconds later add our fried cuttlefish. Give everything a toss and you're ready to eat. Give your dish a final garnish with some spring onions and serve alongside a cold drink. Hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Like, comment and share our video, and thanks for your support so far. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in another video.